So I have a 2008 Toyota Tundra 5.7 two-wheel drive, and I've been dunking the rear diff a lot in the water to go jet skiing and stuff like that. And I've been kind of worried about the breather on it, so I decided to change the oil and install one of these little diff breather kits. You can find these guides online and stuff like that, so that's what I'm going to be following. So you need one of these slip fit diff breathers, new Toyota part. You need one of these unions to fit where your old breather is going to be. Stainless steel hose clamps, thread sealant, Teflon. That's a 3/8 inch tubing, I think. I think it's for fuel. And then you need some differential oil and probably one of these pumps. And of course, you're gonna need a big old bag of zip ties. Alright. So that one's good, it's loose, so we can go ahead and drain it. Kind of control the flow with this top one too. Alright, so that's the breather right there. I'll take this one out. I'm gonna throw in this union right here. Got it wrapped with some Teflon. Seal it up nice. Alright, time for the union. And you can use like a 10mm deep socket. Good to go. Taillight's got to come off now. So we're gonna be routing the line with the breather up into the taillight and just mounting it behind the taillight. Raise the breather up a couple feet. So need some torque sockets. Figured I could just let it hang. It's not too heavy. There's actually a lot of room back here, so it's a perfect spot to just probably mount it up, run it up from under the carriage, up into here, probably zip tie right here. All right guys, so it took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do for my routing for this fuel line, but we got that hooked up onto the union there. So right above the diff here, I kind of got a loop going. It's just kind of allowing for some travel. I got the bed loaded up right now too, so it's sitting a little bit lower than normal, so I'm just giving it some extra room. I got it up to the bed support here, zip tied up there, going above the frame. Above the frame, coming along here. And I got it coming out right here. And I'm kind of just dangling it up until about here. Got it zip tied right there. And then that is going up to the headlight. I decided to do something a little different. Instead of coming up here and mounting up right here, I decided to go up here a little bit higher. You can see got it tucked in there pretty nicely. So I went in through here, just pushed it up until it came up through here. 2 zip ties. Look how cute that is. Alright, so this thing's just about done dripping. This will be the last thing I do. Clean that magnet off, got it nice and shiny, looking pretty good. Drain bolts in, fill bolts in, breather's looking clean. Hope this helped.